I would like to think that I have the most amazing job in the world. I have the opportunity to search and employ a team of the industry's most talented people and provide them with the tools that allow them to perform their work at their very best. In return, they get compensated very well. At the same time, my customers receive an amazing experience and work that is well above the industry standard. Timbercrest Roofing and Siding is a company that specializes in exterior remodeling, including roofing, siding, stone, and gutters. Furthermore, we are a very well-respected insurance restoration company when it comes to local hail and/or windstorms. We have the experience you will need and the crews that you will want when it comes to repairing your home. Since 2003, we have interviewed over 400 crew leaders. At this time, we have hired less than 10% of those. I think you would agree that we are very particular about who we hire. Part of our team has remained with us for over 20 years. At Timbercrest, it's not about how fast we can do something. It's about how well we can do it. It's about doing the right thing to do because, well, it's the right thing to do. It's about creating a team of people that truly care about the importance of their work. It's about riding in the truck with our kids and proudly pointing out the work that we have completed along the way. I'm not trying to create some illusion that we are perfect because we simply are not. Over the past 20 years, we have learned that the majority of our customers do business with us because our ratings and reviews. For most companies, the internet has damaged their credibility. For Timbercrest, it has actually helped establish who we are as a company. I would like to invite you to Google us and learn more about us. You will find we are the highest rated roofing and siding contractor in this region. Our mission is to serve you beyond your expectations. It's very true that so many companies overpromise and underdeliver. I look at business no differently than I did when I was a kid with a snow shovel. Do good, honest, quality, hard work, and charge accordingly for it. Another thing our customers have respected is that we offer upfront pricing without the use of sales tricks, manipulation, or high-pressure sales tactics. People like to buy things, not be sold something. We just want to deliver you all the information that you need to make the best decision for you and your home. I will tell you up front, we're not the cheapest company out there, but we're not the most expensive either. I would welcome you to contact us, give us a chance to explain our price, learn exactly what it is that we do differently. At the end, if we are a good fit for each other, we will do business together. It wouldn't hurt to get our price right. We will help you extract your ideas and work with you to put those ideas onto a computer-generated image of your home. So, let's explore the possibilities. Let's be in touch soon, and I thank you for your business.